Hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Got some lovely fish on the go today. I'm using a red hammer or a reef cod. You can use any whole fish that you like. We fried this and then we've got some lovely, beautiful, tangy vegetables on the top. Asian style, Chinese style. I don't know if it's Chinese or not in fact, but there you go. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at the fish that we've got today. So I'm using these two guys here. They're like 1 kg or 2.2 pounds each, roughly. I think one's bigger than the other. Now, this is called a red grouper or a reef hammer or a reef cod. So cod's the nearest fish you're going to get to that. It's from the cod family. It's been cleaned, so it's had the tail cut off, the fins off, and it's been cleaned inside. What we're going to do is I'm just going to slice some cuts into the skin, not touching the bone, just open it out a little bit, and then we can move on. So as you can see, those cuts are in there. They're only, they just open out to the flesh. They don't go to the bone. I've done that on both sides. Now, if you wanted, of course, you could be using any type of whole fish for this. Like you could be using a trout, salmon. It's up to you, anything you like. Let's get some salt on there. Some black pepper and some olive oil. And I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. I've got some gloves on here, as you can see. Just going to rub that in. And then we're going to flip them over and do the same again. Very simply, salt, pepper, olive oil. Just a little drizzle. And then we're going to go to the cooker. I'm going to get these cooked off. Right, very, very simple. If you want, get a little bit of salt and pepper in the inside there. Okay then, so very easy. I've got some more oil in there, some more olive oil. We're going to take our fish, we're going to drop these in. Medium heat. They're going to be like 4 minutes aside. And don't flip them too much. I'm only going to flip them once or twice max, I think. We want to get them cooked beautifully. Yeah, and don't go crazy with the heat. See you in a moment. Okay, so you can see these are nice and crispy now. They're beautiful, actually. What we're going to do is we're going to take these out and set them aside, and we're going to be using this oil. So before we jump back into the pan, let's just take a look at what we're using here. So onion, bell peppers, celery, green onions, scallions, or whatever you call them, carrot, garlic, ginger, fresh chili, fish sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy. I'll explain a bit more as we're going along. Okay, so I've got the heat on maximum now. Nice high heat. We've got some beautiful flavors in there. We're going to start off by dropping in our garlic and ginger. Now I've got like a tablespoon of each. In that goes. Sesame seed oil. It's going to give it a really lovely nutty flavor. There's like 2 tablespoons of that. Then let's go. We're going to go onion. I've got 1 onion sliced, quite a small onion actually. Celery. I've cut that nice and small, but you can cut it how you want. You can cut it kind of like I've put these carrots in. That's just 1 carrot. bell peppers, cut mine quite small, but again, slice them if you fancy that. And then red chilies, in they go. Now what I've done with these chilies, you might be able to see, I've just cut them down the middle, just opened them out. 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. So just 3 minutes there. Want it all nice and crunchy, the vegetables. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in some fish sauce. Now fish sauce is extremely strong and very salty, so like 2 teaspoons only. 3 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a light soy, you could be using dark if you want. An equal amount of oyster sauce. Now we're not going to be adding any salt to this. We are adding black pepper though, a nice couple of nice decent pinches of that. And the reason that we're not adding salt is because the fish sauce and the soy, and to some extent the oyster sauce. So staying on this nice high heat, we're going to just drop a little bit of water. And we're going to go for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving, we're done. Some green onions chopped on the top, and that is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.